All right. So here, when we're working on it, there are a few steps that we have to follow. If you go step by step, there is no way you can do it wrong. Also, it's a, as I'm saying, it's a combination of factoring, simplification, and then combining, add or subtract the rationals. Be mindful on it. Whenever you are working on any of the rational expression, there is a numerator and the denominator, and when you add or subtract them, you have to have restrictions. And tomorrow, the exit ticket that you are going to have, also the test that you are going to have, the quiz that you are going to have, there will be restrictions included. You have to mention those. Without those, you're going to lose some points. Let's get the steps first. So whenever we are talking about the steps, number one, you have to check if the denominators are same. For today's class is the first day we are working on it. Every time your denominator will be same, but tomorrow we are going to see with the different denominators. So we are going to combine them and we are going to simplify them. So check and make the denominator same. Sorry, it went up. Number two, once you check the denominators are same for all the terms, you have to combine them and bring them under the same denominator. So there will be only one denominator and everything on the top goes together. So that's combining the under the same denominator. Combine under the same denominator. That's my second step. Number three, once I combine the same denominator, we need to do all the operations on the top. If it is addition, do all the addition, add all the like terms. If it is subtraction, subtract all the like terms. So we're just going to combine the like terms on the numerator. So combine the like terms in the numerator. All right. Once you do it, you have to simplify. Simplifying can be done in every possible way. You might be able to take a GCF. First check for GCF, no matter what. When you combine everything and finally you say that, okay, there is nothing else I can do. First you check for GCF. If there is a GCF, take it out, then try for factoring. If there is no GCF, go for factoring, difference of square formula or cubic formula, those types. So you can cancel out, okay? All right, so the fourth step is going to be simplify. And the final step is going to be set restrictions. So we're going to go step by step. All right. Let's look at one of the problem. Let's work on one problem. I'm working on, let me work on number 4 for you. So step 1, is my denominator same or different? Same denominator. So step 2. So let's combine them under the same denominator. So x squared plus 1 stay, and everything else on the top goes on the top together. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 2. So we're going to combine the like terms in the numerator. Can I combine them?
No.
Why not? They're not the like terms. One of them is a variable, the other one is a whole number, so we cannot really do anything. Okay, then the next step is going to be simplification. Can I simplify? Can I do anything too? What can I do? What can I do? Take the GCF. So what is my GCF? 2 is the GCF. So what do I get here? Okay. At the bottom we have x squared plus 1. Huh? Yep. Can I cancel anything? We cannot cancel anything? What can I cancel? X squared plus 1 and x squared plus 1. They're the same terms. So what's my answer? 2. 2 over 1 is 2. There is no fraction anymore. It's a whole number. Questions? Good? Great. Do number 3 by yourself. I'm going to check it. I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay, so over here we're going to combine them. It's the same denominator, so x minus 2, 4x minus x. If you combine, they're the like terms. 4x and x, they're the like terms. So it's going to be 3x over x minus 2. Some of you were trying to cancel this x and x. We cannot do it. X minus 2 together is one term. We cannot cancel just x from it and then just leave negative 2. It doesn't work that way. Once you take it out, if you have any GCF, take it out, then you can work on that way. You can cancel it. I'm going to talk about number 5 over here, and then you are going to work on the rest of the problems. Let's look at number 5. Please pay attention to this one. So over here is my denominator same? Do I have the same denominator? All right, perfect. So we're going to bring it under the same denominator. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay. So we're going to bring it under the same denominator. I have 24uv cubed. Whatever you have on the top, you're going to combine them. Now, please stop everything and look at the board. I know many of you are going to do it wrong at one place. Please pay attention. So here, I have u minus 6v. Then I have a minus over here. What you're going to do is that you're going to write minus u, and then you're going to write minus 5v. Many of you. I'm not saying everybody. When you have a negative in the middle, this negative is distributed to both of them. So this minus 5 is going to become a positive 5v. That's why I said that, okay, pay attention. I'm not saying everybody, but some of you forget to do it, that this will be distributed. Now, we're going to combine the like terms. Who is going to go with u and u? They cancel each other. What do I have over here? Negative v over 24uv cubed. Now, I can cancel a v with a v in the denominator. Now I can cancel because it's not any addition or subtraction. They're multiplication. I can cancel them. So this v and one of the v from here can be cancelled. So I'll be left with negative 1 over 24uv squared. Any question up to here? Are we good? Give me a thumbs up. Sure? Now pay attention for the restriction. We need to set up the restriction. Any variable, if you have any variable in the denominator, you have to set up a restriction. I just didn't want to include it over here, but all of the, this one is also supposed to have a restriction. Let's see. So whenever we are going to talk about the restriction, what we do, I have a variable u, I have a variable v, right? Whatever you have at the bottom, you're going to set that equal to 0. So say over here, u is equal to 0, correct? And v cubed is going to be equal to 0. Sorry, v squared. Thank you. Whatever you are setting up equal to 0, I cannot take that value. Because think about it. If I set a 0 over here, everything becomes 0 in the denominator. What's the value for 1 over 0? Undefined. I cannot have 0 in the denominator. That's why you cannot put anything. U value cannot be 0. Or over here, v squared is 0, v cannot be equal to 0. I cannot have any variable which is 0 at the denominator. Let me show you the restriction for number 3. Let's see over here. So here, the denominator is x minus 2. So what we have to do over here, we are going to do the same thing. x minus 2 is equal to 0. What's the x value? X equal to 2, correct? My restriction will be x is not equal to 2. Because if you put 2 over here, that's going to give you the denominator 0. Questions? Confusions? Sure? Once we start working on few of the problem, it will make more sense. You're going to work on number 6 through 10, and you're going to bring it to me so I can check each one of the problems, and then we're going to go for the practice work. It's very doable during the class. If you go to your, first bring this one, I'm going to stamp it, and then go to your practice paper. You are going to go to addition and subtraction, rational expression, day 1, front and back. There are 12 questions. For tomorrow's exit ticket, you're going to have simplification, factoring, and addition subtraction. Questions? Are we good? Work on this number 6 through 10. Bring it to me so you can check your answer. I can look at your work. Make sure you show all your work so I can check it for you. Go ahead, get started.